Wagwan blessed people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is going to be part 6 of our Patwa lesson, or Jamaican Patois lesson for beginners. Today we're just going to go through some regular everyday word that you'll hear in Jamaica, or that you'll hear among Jamaicans. It'll be good for you not just to speak them but also to understand when they're spoken to you. As usual, we want to make this video as short and as spicy as possible. So I have 10 or 11 words, so I'm going to run through them real quick. But before we get started, you know I gotta tell you this. If you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and get active in the comments. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. The first word in English is and. A-N-D, and. In the Jamaican Patois, usually you'll hear an. Just an, no and, no D pronounced, just an, A-N. So for example, in English, I would say D and Jerry. In Patwa, I'll say D and Jerry. D and Jerry. No A-N-D, but A-N. So, and in English, and in Patwa. The second word in English is brother, and I don't know why I'm feeling like I use this word already in some lessons, but nonetheless, the second word in English is brother. So English, brother. Patwa, brother. I want to that brother there, man. What's wrong with that brother? I want to that brother there, man. So brother, brother. Or Raymond is my brother. Raymond and my brother in Patwa. The next word in English is car. Car. I love beautiful sports car. Car in Patwa. C-Y-A-R. Car. Me love nice car. Me love nice car. So car in English, car in Patwa. The next word is child in English. Child or children in English. The word in Patwa is picnic. Picnic. And one thing, as I mentioned in picnic, I'm remembering one thing. I have Patwa merch. I'll leave the link in the bio. I have been leaving the link in the bio, but I can't remember to tell you guys about it. So I do have Patwa merch on my website. So check out the link in the bio to see my Patwa merch. And I remember it as I say picnic because I have some stuffs that say picnic on it. So that's kind of cute. So check out my Patwa merch. I think we're down to number 5. Get it? The 5th word is down. Down in English, dung in Patwa. Down in English, dung in Patwa. I think we're down to number 5. We're down to number 5. D-U-N-G, dung. We're down to number 5. Number 6, evening. Evening. It's a beautiful evening. Patwa, evening. Evening. Eve plus L-I-N-G. It's a beautiful evening in English. The evening nice, you know, in Patwa. So evening. Evening. Number 7. The word in English is friend. Everyone needs that one good, perfect friend. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. In Patwa, friend. F-R-E-N. Friend. Certain gal I know me friend. Friend in English, friend in Patwa. Number 8, and I'm going to use it as a phrase. Give me. Give me. The word in Patwa is gimme. 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 Give me $500. Give me $500, and you know you have to add the no. So give me $500 no. That's begging. Don't do it. It's not cute. But give me $500 no. Give me $500, please. Give me $500 no. I think we also did number 9 already. Her. I think I must have mentioned her. Her. H-E-R in English. Her in Patwa. H-A-R, or maybe it could be A-R in Patwa because Jamaicans don't pronounce the H, and I don't know if I told you that, but I'll get into that next week. Jamaicans always drop the H off everything that is supposed to be pronounced with an H. They drop the H. So for her, we say or R, not her, or not her, but or R. You know, so H-A-R or A-R, because a lot of times we don't say the H, we don't pronounce H, we drop H. And that should have been one of my first lessons to you guys, to tell you that Jamaicans always drop the H off everything that needs to be pronounced with H. And funny enough, I feel like we add H to whatever is pronounced with E. So for egg, we'd probably say heg. you know, just subconscious to us that we're doing that. Because I catch myself saying egg sometimes, and a lot of times my friend laugh at me. She's like laughing, and then right away I know why she's laughing, because I say egg. But we do know it's egg, E-G-G, egg. But we find ourselves saying egg. I don't know why it is so hard to put the H on words that needs E, but yet we do it. It's so easy to keep the H on words with H, but yet we take it off. I guess it's safe to say Jamaicans are just complicated people, or Jamaica has a complicated culture. I don't know, but next week I'll come with some words that we drop the H off, and I'll tell you how to pronounce them. So look out for Patwa lesson number 7 next week. The next word is him. Him in English, him in Patwa. Again, we drop off the H, so I am instead of H-I-M. So him in English, him in Patwa. Inki Angwani, Ari look goody, Ari answer me. We just say him. Not him, but him. Make sense? The final word I'm going to do is in the. So in English, it's a phrase, in the, because it's 2 different words, so it's a phrase. In the. We say inner, we turn it in a 1 word. So that's why I added it to these words, because we actually turn 2 words into 1 word. So instead of in the in English, oh, in the theater, in the theater in Patwa, in the theater in Patwa, in the theater, inner, I-N-N-A, inner. So it's 1 word, in the theater. Yeah, I saw him in the theater. In the theater. And we never say theater, it's always theater. Yeah, me I go down a theater go watch a show. Yeah, me I go a carrot theater go watch a show. So right there I gave you 2 words. I gave you in the, which is inner, and I gave you theater, which is theater. Theater, kind of like tater tot. Kind of like, actually in America it would be tater. Tater, but in Jamaica theater. So like tater tots, theater. Theater. And that's not the word I was going for, but it turned out to be a word. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the link in the bio for my Patwa merch. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next upload. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Whoa!